What if you could cut 75% of your Claude Code tokens with a single command? No configuration, no trade-offs on accuracy, just fewer words, same results, 3 times faster. This is Caveman, and it's backed by actual research showing that brevity doesn't just save tokens, it makes LLMs more accurate. Caveman is a Claude Code skill created by JuliusBrussee that instructs Claude to communicate in an extremely concise, caveman-speak style. It strips out every unnecessary word, articles like the, pleasantries like I'd be happy to help, hedging language like it might be worth considering, while preserving everything that actually matters. Code blocks are written normally. Technical terminology stays intact. Error messages are quoted exactly. Git commits and pull request descriptions remain professional. The only thing that changes is the explanatory text around them. And the savings are dramatic, an average of 65% fewer output tokens across 10 benchmarks, with some tasks hitting 87% reduction. At roughly 71% less output token cost per interaction, this isn't a novelty. It's a legitimate cost optimization for anyone running Claude Code at volume. Let's look at the actual numbers. On a React re-render explanation, normal Claude uses 1,180 tokens. Caveman mode, 159 tokens. That's an 87% reduction. PostgreSQL race condition debugging goes from 1,200 tokens down to 232, an 81% save. Docker multi-stage build explanation drops from 1,042 to 290, 72% savings. These aren't cherry-picked examples. They're from a systematic benchmark of 10 different technical tasks spanning front-end, back-end, DevOps, and debugging scenarios. The average across all tasks is 65% fewer tokens, and the key claim, 100% technical accuracy maintained across every benchmark. No information is lost. The explanations are just denser, more scannable, and frankly, more useful when you're in the middle of debugging and don't need a 5-paragraph essay about what went wrong. Let's look at the repo. Caveman has 938 stars and growing. It hit a nerve with the Claude Code community because token costs are a real pain point for power users. The codebase is minimal. It's essentially a well-crafted system prompt packaged as a Claude Code skill. JuliusBrussee also created Blueprint, a specification-driven development framework for Claude Code, so he understands the skill ecosystem well. The repo includes the full benchmark data, a clear README with before and after examples, and the MIT license. There are 4 contributors listed, and yes, Claude is credited as one of them. The project was released as v1.1.0 and supports installation through both the Skills system and the Claude Code plugin system. The mechanism is straightforward but surprisingly effective. Caveman injects a system-level instruction that tells Claude to adopt a specific communication style, short sentences, no filler, direct answers. It explicitly lists what to remove: articles, transition phrases, pleasantries, hedging qualifiers, and repetitive summaries. It equally explicitly lists what to preserve: code blocks written in standard style, technical terminology used precisely, error messages quoted verbatim, file paths and commands shown exactly, and Git operations in proper conventional commit format. The skill activates on trigger words, /caveman, caveman mode, or even less tokens please, and deactivates when you say normal mode or stop caveman. There's no configuration beyond on and off. The simplicity is intentional. The fewer knobs to turn, the fewer things to break. Here's a concrete example. Ask normal Claude to explain React re-renders, and you get something like, quote, "I'd be happy to help you understand React re-renders. When a component's state changes, React will re-render that component and all of its children. This is because React needs to determine if the output has changed." End quote. That's 1,180 tokens of explanation. Same question in caveman mode. React, re-render, state change, component plus children re-render, memo skip if props same, use memo and you call back cache values and functions, minimize state scope, lift only when needed. End quote. 159 tokens, exact same technical content. You can actually parse the Caveman version faster because there's no filler between the concepts. This is the core insight. Most of what makes LLM responses long isn't information, it's politeness scaffolding. This isn't just a fun hack, there's research backing it. A March 2026 paper titled Brevity Constraints Reverse Performance Hierarchies in Language Models found that constraining LLMs to brief responses actually improved accuracy by 26 percentage points on certain benchmarks. The hypothesis is that verbose outputs give the model more space to contradict itself, introduce hedging that weakens correct answers, and pad with information that dilutes the signal. When forced to be concise, the model has to commit to its best answer without room for equivocation. This means Caveman isn't just saving you tokens, it might genuinely be getting you better answers. The research challenges a widespread assumption in the LLM community that longer, more detailed responses are inherently more accurate. Installing Caveman is one command. npx skills add JuliusBrussee/caveman. That's it. The skill gets registered in your Claude Code environment and is available in every session. To activate, type /caveman, or just say caveman mode, or less tokens, please, in any prompt. Claude switches to concise mode immediately. To go back to normal, say stop caveman, or normal mode. You can also install via the Claude Code plugin system with Claude Plugin Add. For Codex users, it's available through the plugin marketplace as well. There's nothing to configure. The skill is opinionated by design. It either compresses or it doesn't. 2 limitations worth knowing. First, Caveman only affects output tokens. The thinking and reasoning tokens that Claude uses internally are completely untouched. The computational work is the same. You're just getting a compressed summary of the results. If your cost concern is primarily about thinking tokens, which can be substantial on complex tasks, Caveman won't help there. Second, caveman-speak is obviously inappropriate for user-facing content. If you're generating customer documentation, help text, or anything that needs to read professionally, turn it off. This is a developer tool for developer workflows, code review, debugging, exploration, Git operations. For those use cases, the compression is a clear win with no meaningful downside. If you use Claude Code daily and your token bills are climbing, Caveman is the lowest effort optimization available. One command, 65 to 87% savings on output tokens, 0 accuracy loss. If you find Claude's default verbosity distracting, the pleasantries, the disclaimers, the 5-paragraph explanations of things you already understand, Caveman gives you the direct answers you actually wanted. If you're running Claude Code on long sessions where context window management matters, fewer output tokens means more room for your actual code base in the conversation. And if you're curious about the research angle, whether constrained brevity genuinely improves LLM accuracy, Caveman is a practical way to test that hypothesis in your own daily workflow. MIT licensed, 1 install, toggle on and off as needed. That's Caveman. Why use many token when few token do trick? 1 install, 75% fewer tokens, and arguably better accuracy. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more Claude Code tools and tips.